We're out here in Roswell today, and I have to tell you, this one might be my all-time favorite install. This is exactly what we love to do at PowerScreen and Shade. Our client had a stunning custom home, a beautiful back porch leading out to the pool. And we took that space and completely transformed it with our PowerScreens. We fully enclosed the porch, all sides, all the way down. What that means for this family is summers that are completely bug-free. No mosquitoes, no gnats, none of that. Just pure enjoyment of this gorgeous outdoor space. But there's another part we shouldn't forget, the winter extension. With the screens down, their patio heaters are actually doing their job now. The heat stays in. We're talking at least 50 additional days of usable outdoor living that they simply didn't have before. That's not a small thing. That's months of your life back outside. And honestly, just look at how good this looks. Clean lines, flawless fit, it elevates the entire back of this home. This is what a PowerScreen can do. If you've got a porch, a pool area, or an outdoor space that isn't living up to its potential, come see us at our Marietta showroom at 1785 West Oak Parkway or visit apolloscreen.com/Atlanta. We'd love to show you what's possible.